AI. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent systems that can learn, think, and act on their own to solve problems. AI is being applied in many areas of life, such as finance, transportation, healthcare. You have seen all the great benefits from AI and want to build an AI processing system for your business. However, the infrastructure costs of maintaining an AI system can be huge, which raises the barrier of entry for most enterprises. The technological revolution is going strong. Young people race to find passive earning opportunities to adapt to the trend. But do you know the smartphone in your hand can be a gold mine with tremendous and incredible potential that you are neglecting? The promising AI computing potential of Neural Processing Unit, NPU, from phones is being wasted. At the same time, many enterprises are struggling with the enormous cost burden of building their own specialized AR hardware systems. Can we create a solution that takes advantage of both sides? The AI computing power in your smartphone can be utilized completely instead of getting wasted. Enterprises can tap into this infinite pool of computing power in your hands at lower costs. It's time to bring this solution to life. With the combined power of advanced technologies like edge computing, federated learning, and blockchain, Hyperas can help enterprises utilize NPUs on smartphones to process AI models. Data will be shared and distributed in encrypted format, protecting the privacy of all participating parties. Anyone with a smartphone that has an NPU chip can participate. In exchange, you will earn attractive passive income. On the other hand, enterprises will enjoy the benefits of affordable AI computing power. Let's harness the full potential of your smartphone today. Unlock the potential of decentralized, accessible, affordable AI with blockchain.